Ew, Sean.
That shit was shaking it. So you gotta get that stuff out. That turkey neck. That liver.
Oh my god.
That's the neck. It's not a
I was looking at penis.
I think that's it. Normally they come with like livers and shit. Alright, so next you want to clean your chicken. You'll massage it with that lemonesta. You drip them juices over it.
Oh, you just squirted me.
Ooh. Well, do it back. Alright, get in there and get them pits.
I'm crying.
Make sure you get them pits. You don't want to forget about those pits. Flip, and then you drip. From the top to the tip. You want to hit it with that second ring. You take that chicken, put it on its back, and crack that motherfucker.
Oh!
Yep. Now, she spread wide. Alright, next, you want to trim the parts that you don't want. Put your toolie out. So we don't want that bumper.
Can we cook it?
So we got our butter. I smashed it because I got ADHD. We let this whole marinate a little bit.
Oh.
Do a little water in the pan. We only put salt and pepper up here too. We kept it classy. I can't even go to Flavor Town in this house. I don't know if y'all seen that. So my grandmama used to rub it in the butter first, and I didn't, so do a little extra pepper up there just to solidify it. Now we put that whole in there for about however long it take to cook.